cute.
Crash out.
He's not looking. You get your paw. It belongs to you.
I didn't tell you? Sam was up fishing last week.
She actually smells. This stinky doggy.
On the supervisor?
Honey, don't worry. I never promised to put the back on the phone.
So we need to put that someone up to do it, right?
Could you end it? I
It's like, that's enough.
I guess her brother died.
Her brother died?
I guess.
That what happened?
That's sad.
Sad.
So I finally got that stupid gym to like fucking cancel my membership. I had this chiropractor I knew from when I worked at the bank who was really cool.